crew. It's your girl Tita.
I'm Nisha.
And I'm Shan.
And as y'all can see by the title of this video, we doing another challenge.
Yes.
Another challenge.
Yes. We was challenged by our girl Shay Snacks.
What up,
Shay? What up,
sis?
sis?
How are you?
Love you.
Love you.
And we want to give a shout out to our fam, our boy.
Yeah, Jaleel.
This one is for you, boo.
Yes.
And not to mention, if this is your very first time on our channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the notification bell.
Yep.
Like,
ring that bell.
Thumbs
Ring it
up
in
the
the
video.
video.
Okay,
Tell us
okay.
what you think, okay?
Yep.
Share it too, y'all.
Share it,
all
y'all.
friends.
Share it.
Welcome
Please,
back to our
please
channel.
do. Yes.
And welcome if you are new.
And we doing the what? The
No Burp Challenge.
Yes, y'all. So we gotta drink like what? Like half of this?
Yeah.
Cause these are like 2 liters, so we gotta
These
drink
are
like
2
half
liters,
of this. Yeah, so
So,
without burping.
what do you have?
I got my Sprite.
Y'all, I got my Canada Dry Cranberry Ginger Ale.
And I have Crush Peach.
That look good though.
It does look good. The color is so pretty.
All right, y'all. So pray for us and everything, and hopefully we don't burp. All right, so let's get this challenge started.
All right.
Ooh, that was an ASMR right there, y'all.
Well, thank you,
shucks.
It's an explosion.
It's fresh.
It's an explosion.
That's all that mean.
Ooh, y'all seen that? Just boom.
All right.
Okay, you ready?
Okay, you ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's good. Ooh.
Already?
I couldn't hold it.
I'm gonna hold it, y'all. Hold it. It's right there.
It just.
Shay, girl, you don't lie, girl. I feel it right here in my throat. I feel it. Oh my God.
Oh, it's right there. It's right there. It's right there.
Jaleel, how you have people do this?
Sorry. I'm sorry, y'all.
It's
Excuse
right
me.
there in my chest.
Oh my
Heck
God.
Jesus.
I feel it. I feel it. Oh, I want to burp so bad. Oh my God, that's hard.
You making it come. Excuse me.
Yo, I smell that over here.
I'm sorry. Huss coming.
Oh, how y'all just gonna go ahead and burp? Y'all ain't even been what? Like,
Yeah,
thirty
I'm
seconds?
gonna try to finish though.
Oh.
You still at the top. What are you talking about? Let me finish up. Look at her. She right here, y'all. Just about that much for me.
Oh my God. Oh, and it'll make you get full fast too. Oh my God, I'm trying so hard.
The air bubble came over my chest. I
right
was
there.
choked on the soda.
Ooh.
Can't hold that. That's got.
Oh my God, I want to
It
come
hurt
up
my
so
stomach.
bad. Shay, girl,
Excuse
sis. Oh my God,
Tears let her out.
I want to so
Just let it
bad. No,
Let it be free.
no, I'm gonna get to that line. I'm gonna get to that line. I'm gonna try.
Set it free.
Oh no, set it free. Oh my God, I can't. I gotta get. Ooh, it hurts, y'all.
Oh, it's in my stomach.
Excuse me.
Oh shucks.
Oh my God, this is painful. This
I
is
can't.
so painful.
And I'm full. My
God.
stomach. Like, I can't.
I
thought I would actually be able to do this.
Oh my God.
Shucks. Look. It hurts.
Ah, I gotta burp. I gotta burp.
Excuse me.
It hurts when you don't push it out.
like right. Only drunk to like right here.
Y'all see the tonsils?
Yeah, y'all saw everything. My esophagus and all that stuff back there.
Oh, I thought mine was loud.
I thought mine was.
Oh my god, that
Oh
was
my God.
awful. Oh my god,
Yo.
y'all. That was a fail. That
Yo,
was
Tina
a
take
straight
first
up fail.
place.
First place.
That was a fail, y'all.
It hurts.
I can't do no more. That was. Ooh, girl.
Put me on the back. This hurt, y'all. This got. I'm sorry. This got to come. I'm about to throw up.
Chicken.
I had to throw up. Oh, like. If
Oh my
this don't come
God.
up, I'm gonna
This
throw
was-
up. 'Cause I
this
feel
was
it.
painful.
Excuse me.
Oh my god. Oh.
Does it depend on how strong the soda is? Like, because Sprite is
Shut.
really strong. Wait a minute, so who finished theirs the most?
Mine is.
Look like Shan
Right,
won
yeah.
to me. I mean, but you burp like.
Mine, y'all see
I mean,
mine
technically
right
y'all
here.
burp, but you drunk like most of her soda, so yeah, Shan drunk like
Shit,
she did good, right, y'all? Yeah.
She did good.
All right, y'all. Thank you so much for tuning in with us to do this No Burp challenge. Hopefully, you guys enjoyed yourselves. I ain't know I was gonna burp like that. I didn't. A little old Tito, y'all. I know y'all
Don't judge, don't
Yeah,
judge,
excuse us,
Yeah,
you know,
excuse us,
for
y'all.
burping, you
Yes,
know, but
yes.
we couldn't
You know
hold
I'm
it
at
any
it.
longer,
You know what I'm saying? We will be tagging channels for this challenge, so make sure you please look in the description box because we will be hitting
I
y'all
can
up
feel
to
the
let you
bubbles
know.
in my stomach.
You know what I'm saying? Okay,
Lord.
so until next time, we love y'all. We appreciate y'all
Yes.
for watching. Thank you so
Yeah.
much for your love and your support. We
Uh-huh.
appreciate
Yes,
it. Y'all like
Yes.
fam. You
Fam,
don't even
y'all.
know.
Fam.
Y'all like
Get
fam.
folks.
Get folks.
Hey.
Oh yeah, shout out to you, Lil Gilmo Ease. You
Gilmo.
fam.
Yeah,
Get
what up,
folks.
What up, Kid
I love you.
Yes.
All right, y'all. TNS3 signing out.
Signing out.
Peace out.